Hi, welcome to Adams Homes 1,605 square foot plan. This is a really cute starter home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. If you're looking to get into the market and get your first home, I think this is a great option. And I've actually sold this plan to multiple families, and it also makes for a great home if you're looking to downsize. Maybe everybody has gone and it's just 1 or 2 people left in the home. This is a great floor plan. No wasted space and huge covered back porch. Let's go check it out. Coming into the home, immediately to one side is the kitchen and breakfast nook area. So as you can see, nice big open kitchen. This one's got quartz counters. This space here would be the dining room space, and it is quite large. I know it's a little bit hard to tell without any furniture, but I have seen people put a full-size table right in here, and it fits really, really well. And then you can see from this angle where the dishwasher goes. You can see the dining room space from this side. And then look how nice and spacious this living room is. So split floor plan, master on one side of the house. This up here is a coat closet, master bedroom, and this one has French doors going into the master bathroom, and it's got 2 vanities, toilet, soaking tub there, and the shower. And there is a small linen closet in here, and then walk-in closet. And this is quite spacious. Laundry and garage. Garage right through there. And let's go check out the other 2 bedrooms. So this is the 2nd bathroom. And this is the linen closet outside of that bathroom. One of the bedrooms. And the other bedroom. Okay, let's go see the covered back porch, because it's surprisingly large, which makes this a really attractive floor plan. This is a 1/4 acre lot, in case you're wondering. Some neighborhoods offer sprinklers, some I should say it comes included, some it does not. So just either let me know if there's a neighborhood you're considering, and I can let you know which ones do and don't come with sprinklers. So back view of the house, and then look at this huge covered back porch. Also wanted to show you the large, spacious front porch. If you have questions about this home or any other new construction home, feel free to call, text, email us anytime. I will put all of our contact info down below. I have owned multiple new construction homes. I do love new construction homes, and I would love to help you if that is what you are looking for. Thanks so much for joining and for watching with us today.